Hi guys, welcome back, Char. And today's video is mag-unboxing kasi sakto may lakad ako. So yes, dumating ang aking freebies. Wow! That's right. Sa kakalaro ng Feed My Dog and also tawag dyan points. So yes, I got it for free. Take note, this is free from Shein Galore.
Nice.
Yes, let's check it out. It's a sandal, Char. No weights. Sakto, magagamit ko siya. So, tada! I'm gonna use it today. Ta-da! I love it. It's a brown.
Wow.
Diba? Free lang to, guys. I didn't pay anything. So, the original price is nasa 150. Tapos, Char, for free. Ta-da!
Nice.
Diba? Nice. So, sukat ko muna. So, yun lang. Please follow me on my TikTok and also to my Facebook. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do something. Char! So, yes, atin ako ng GKK Christmas party. Invited kami ng mga officers sa women's. So, yes, Char. This is it, Pansit. And also, I have one more, unboxing. I got it from Dior na perfume. They call it
wow.
Ano nga ba yung J'adore?
Wow.
Diba? Malakas maka-rare na amoy, Char. So yeah, sample lang yun, or travel galore na bottles, kasi yun lang yung kaya ng bulsa, kasi mahal masyado pag 10,000 na, diba? So sample muna tayo, like this, travel sample perfume from Dior J'adore. Char. J'adore. Charis, ba't napunta doon? So, it's a different video kasi nga, basta, nagmamadali ako. So, yes, yun lang. Bye! Thanks for watching. O, di ba maganda? For free. Char. Thank you, Shein. Char. Shein Galore. Download nyo na yan, guys. Shopping na kayo sa Shein. Zava. So, yan. Isusukat ko na. Char. Partner with my floral outfit for today. Bye! So, yan. Very cute siya. Basta sa Shein. 36 ang ating size. So, yan. Vongga. Zava. So, should I wear my bag yesterday? Yung pang vonggang pang beach.
Wow!
Kasi maka-summer vibes ang aking mga outfitan. Char. Wala kayong mainis. Sino may naiinis sa aking mga post? Do not watch it. Zava. Diba bongga, guys? O, diba? Lakas maka Shala. Shein lang yan. Very Moraita, kaya shop na sa Shein online. Para maka-points din ako. Char! More points, more freebies. Diba, guys? Bye!